Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Google Meet so that you have another way to talk to your friends and family. Let's get started. So Google Meet is kind of like Zoom, but Google Meet you could use on your browser. So you have no program to install, it's all on your browser. So you're going to want to click that Chrome, you're going to want to go to your browser, of course. And then you're going to want to type in Google Meet. And then, it looks like Google advertised themselves. Okay. But you're going to want to select Google Meet. And here you could either join a meeting or start a meeting. If you're going to be joining a meeting, ask whoever's starting it for the meeting code. Without it, you won't be able to join. We're going to click start a meeting. And it's going to say getting ready. I just turned off my camera for this purpose, but you see it'll give a special code here that you could give to your friends. So you're going to click join now, and it's going to tell you to add others if you want to. Today I'm not going to be, and here you'll see meeting details. So meeting info, everyone will be able to see this. Here, as you can see, every time I talk, you can see how it goes up and down. Next here, you could turn off your microphone on or off. And here you could turn on your camera on or off. Here you could leave the call, and if there's no one else in this call, it will be closed. Now, this sometimes means for Google accounts that are controlled by organizations, sometimes you're not allowed to be starting meetings, but you could join them. So, if there's no one in there, then you'll have to join the meeting. Then here you turn on captions. I didn't try this before. Oh. Well, I know Google has, for YouTube, there is automatic captions. But I've never actually seen it for Google Meet before. I've never actually tried this. So we are back. Just double check one thing quickly. And here you can see, I've actually never tried this before. This is my first time try this. Wow. It's more accurate than I thought. So, moving on. I'm going to test that out later on. You could also, if you press F11 on your keyboard, you could do it full screen mode. So as you can see, the browser's gone. It's just full screen right now here. So I'm just gonna undo that for now. So here it's where you could present your screen. I'm just gonna click that, and you could choose your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. Well, I'm using Chrome right now, so it's probably giving me that option, but I'm just going to do entire screen. It's going to ask you if you could share, and I'm sharing my screen right now. Yeah, and other people will actually be able to see the screen, but you will not be able to. It'll just say you're presenting to everyone. I'm just going to click stop presenting for now. And then here in more options, you have multiple options. Here, you can change the layout. There's I recommend keeping it at auto. Usually with little people, it goes tiled or spotlight. And then sidebar would be when you have a lot of people. But I leave it to auto, and then once you have a lot of people, it'll automatically change sidebar. Next, in these options, you can do it full screen, like I said, with F11. And here you can turn on captions like there is here. And there's some settings here. So you can choose your microphone. I have a blue snowball. and you can choose your speakers. I'm wearing earphones right now. And then video, you have your integrated webcam if you're using like the built-in webcam. And then, oh my goodness, that's why my resolution was so bad. Okay, anyway, you can change the resolution, the send and receive resolution here. I recommend just making it 720p everything, as high as possible. Depends by your internet connection. Say, if you're doing a webcam at really high and your internet's bad, it's gonna ruin it for everyone. And then here, general, report additional diagnostics to help improve this product. That's basically a complicated way of saying if something goes wrong, or if they get an error, they're able to send it. Okay, well, you know what? There's also this chat here, and you can see the people. I'm there, but here you can just chat to everyone. Hello, people! Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! You can chat whatever you want. Here you will see people, like I said, and then here you will be able to see the time. I'm Eastern time right now, so it shows me 9:18 a.m. and then here if you click on yourself, then it will pin it to the screen. Okay, I'm just gonna unpin it for now. And that looks like it's about it, guys. Thank you guys. Wait, let me turn on captions for this part. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button with the bell notifications icon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. These captions are really cool. Wow.